Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this portable facial steamer with a 360 rotatable sprayer. Alright, so right here is the Nano Ion Hot Mist Facial Steamer. This is the portable one. This just tells you to add water, put aroma sticker on the back. The vapor, it's supposed to hydrate your skin. It has ozone sterilization, strong steam, deep hydration, 10 times penetrated. Here is the user manual. This basically shows you just how to use it. Your operating instructions, your specifications. So you do get a couple tools in here to help clean up them dirty pores. You get a few of those ones. As soon as I can open these ones up. So here are the little tools that you get to help clean up the blackheads after you clean your face by steaming it. You get 4 different tools. You get a case to hold them in. These are the blackhead removers. And you just put it in the case right here. So now let's dive into the box. So inside this box is the steamer itself. It has a releasing steam of 35 minutes. The steaming area, which will do your full face. The distance is 7.9 inches. The capacity of the water is 300 milliliters. It has a UV lamp, 253.7 nm and 185 nm. It is 360 degree rotatable sprayer. So there is the arm that just fell out. You do get a little headband, so you can have a facial spa at home. This is a tabletop design. So this will just go into the top of the machine itself. It helps with dry skin, blackheads, wrinkles, oily skin, coarse skin. It's efficient hydration, deep cleaning, improved circulation, promotes regeneration, ozone sterilization, and tightens the pores. So this machine, it cleans up the particles up to 10 times more and penetrating the skin on basic hot water than steamers. So this is a 110 plug, so you just plug this in to start it up. Back here is where you'll pour in the water. So the mini desktop ozone steamer only needs to add water to the tank, turn it on, wait 3 to 5 minutes for the steam to start. You can easily enjoy a facial spa at home. And you have these little arms right here to help protect the tank because this tank does get a bit hot. So you have your power button, and then you have your ozone, and then you have a max line, and then you have a mini line. So here is the arm. It just pops in there just like this. You can rotate it any way you want, left or right. And then the nozzle, the head, it rotates 360 degree. This facial steamer uses non-toxic, irritating, and environmental friendly materials. When the water level is too low, it will automatically shut down. It is required to use distilled water or pure clean water so it doesn't defect this machine. Do not add any other liquids such as aromatherapy, essential oils. They have a little spot in the back of it where you could put a little pad on there. Let's go ahead and remove this plastic. So these little plastic cups help to protect the tank itself. Make sure it's all the way tight in there. So it just snaps just right in there like that. Make sure that's completely sealed. And then there's the top of the head. And this rotates 360 degrees. So in the back, if you have a little cardboard thing, you can stick it back here for your essential oils. And this is where you'll put your water in. You just got to remove the cork. Add your water in. It is recommended to using distilled or bottled water. So we're just going to keep on adding water until we reach the max line. You have to do it slowly because if it do too fast, it will actually overflow. And it's almost there. Just add a little bit more. So this whole cup to the max line will give you 35 minutes of steaming, which is a good amount of steam time. So now that it is completely full, we're just going to close this up, set it to our desired setting, and then we're going to turn both the power and the ozone light on. Just switch these buttons up. You can't see the light of the ozone because it is too bright, but I'm going to turn it off so you can see it. So now you can see that this is with the ozone light on. It's starting to bubble up. The steam will pour at the top and into the nozzle. The bottom of the lights actually light up, the power button. So just waiting for that to completely boil up and to steam. It does take 3 to 5 minutes to boil it up. So just wait for that to finish boiling. And then once this is completely fully boiled, we'll go ahead and we'll start trying this on ourselves. Alright, so now that it's finally boiled up, you'll start seeing the steam to come out the little head part. It's coming out a little bit. It does get a lot more steam, just give it a second. Alright, so now we're going to go and steam our face. You can see it does put out a lot of steam. So right now I'm just steaming it. I do have the bandana on my head so my hair don't get wet. It is a nice steam, nice and refreshed. So you got these little bunny ears. It feels super nice. Doesn't push too hard. It feels nice and soft. Feels refreshing. So I'm going to do some more. So I'm going to do this for about 30 minutes or 35 minutes. I've had many steamers. This one's a really nice steamer. This is a tabletop, so if you are sitting at a desk or something, you can steam your face at a desk, at a table. This is a very nice steamer. So this is what it looks like at full blast. It's completely fully boiled. It's going to do this until it finishes up after 35 minutes, and then once it's finished, it will automatically stop. Then the lights will go out. And then you just turn the power buttons off to the ozone and to the light. So this is a really nice tabletop. If you guys are looking for a nice little small convenient portable steamer, I would say definitely check this one out. You will not be displeased. The steam itself is really refreshing.